Welcome to Beautyistic, where we keep it real when it comes to all things beauty. Have you ever felt like your skin just needs a little pick-me-up during the day, or that your face could use a quick refresh after hours of makeup or a long flight? If you've been searching for the perfect facial mist that hydrates, calms, and gives your skin a glow, stay tuned. Today, I'll be reviewing the Mario Badescu Facial Spray with Aloe, Chamomile, and Lavender. A mist that claims to hydrate, restore balance, and brighten your complexion. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you don't miss any of our honest reviews here on Beautyistic. Let's get into it. The Mario Badescu Facial Spray comes in a sleek 236 milliliter bottle that's designed for all skin types. It's infused with a blend of soothing aloe, chamomile, and lavender, alongside the antioxidant benefits of vitamin C. This spray promises to refresh, hydrate, and restore balance to your skin, while the lavender oil is also said to help de-stress the skin. Something we all could use, right? It's a simple, straightforward product with a clean formula that doesn't overwhelm the skin with harsh chemicals. Now let's talk about real-world testing. I've been using this spray for a couple of weeks now, both during the day and at night. It's definitely a versatile product, working well as a quick midday refresh, a makeup setting spray, or even as a calming nighttime toner. The mist comes out in a fine, even spray, which I really like because it doesn't feel like you're splashing water on your face. It's more like a soft, cool breeze. The scent is subtle but definitely present thanks to the lavender. It's calming without being overpowering, which I think is a huge plus, especially if you're using it as a midday stress buster. In terms of texture, this facial mist absorbs quickly, leaving my skin feeling hydrated but not sticky. It doesn't disrupt makeup either, which is often a big concern with facial sprays, but this one sets makeup nicely and doesn't leave any residue behind. Now let's break it down. Pros: hydrating and refreshing, perfect for a quick moisture boost. Soothing with chamomile and lavender, great for sensitive or stressed skin. Vitamin C offers antioxidant protection, which is a nice bonus. Lightweight and versatile. You can use it throughout the day or as part of your evening routine. Cons: the scent, while pleasant, might not be for everyone, especially if you're sensitive to fragrances. Some might find the size of the bottle a bit too small for frequent use, especially if you're using it multiple times a day. As for value, this facial spray is priced in the mid-range, which I think is reasonable given the quality of ingredients. It's not the cheapest option out there, but when you factor in the soothing and hydrating benefits, it's definitely worth considering, especially if you're a fan of skincare that delivers on the basics without any fuss. When comparing it to similar products, I would say it holds its own, especially with the addition of vitamin C and the calming effects of lavender. Some other mists I've tried don't offer the same level of hydration or soothing properties, so if you're looking for a multifunctional product that not only refreshes, but also helps balance and brighten, this one stands out. When it comes to build quality, the packaging is simple but sturdy. The plastic bottle is compact, making it easy to carry in your bag without worrying about leaks. It's also travel-friendly, so if you're someone who loves a good spritz on the go, this will fit right in with your routine. As for longevity, I've found that the hydration it provides lasts a few hours. So if you're looking for a product that will keep your skin glowing all day without reapplying too frequently, you may need to use it once or twice a day depending on your skin's needs. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. As for customer support, Mario Badescu is known for offering good customer service. I haven't had any direct issues, but the brand has a reputation for being responsive to inquiries, which always adds a layer of trust when purchasing from them. Now, let's get into some product alternatives. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, there are some excellent facial mists out there, like the Heritage Store Rose Water Spray, which also hydrates and refreshes without the price tag. However, keep in mind that the Mario Badescu Mist has added benefits like vitamin C, so if you're looking for something with a bit more antioxidant power, it could be worth the splurge. So, what's the final verdict? The Mario Badescu Facial Spray with Aloe, Chamomile, and Lavender is a solid pick for anyone looking to add a gentle, hydrating step to their skincare routine. It's particularly well suited for those with sensitive or stressed skin who want a quick pick-me-up during the day. It's easy to use, feels refreshing, and has a soothing fragrance that makes it a joy to apply. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.